In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch chart type and create combo charts in PowerPoint. If you've already got a chart on your slide and it isn't telling the story you want, changing the chart type can make your data clearer in a couple of clicks. Start by selecting the chart right on your slide. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and handles around it, and PowerPoint shows extra chart tools on the ribbon. With the chart selected, go to the Chart Design tab at the top. There, click Change Chart Type. This opens a dialog that controls how your information is visualized. Inside the dialog, you can pick a new chart type for the entire chart, such as column, line, or pie. Choosing one of these applies the same style to all your data series. A series is simply a group of related values, like sales for one region or a set of months. If your message is straightforward, a single, consistent chart type often works best. If you want to mix chart types to highlight different parts of your data, switch to the Combo category in the list. A combo chart lets you display each series with the style that fits it best in the same visual. For example, you might show totals as columns while trends appear as lines, so viewers can compare levels and directions at a glance. In the Combo view, assign a chart type to each series using the drop-downs. This is where you can decide which series should be columns, which should be lines, and more. If one series has values on a completely different scale, say thousands versus percentages, turn on secondary axis for that series. This gives it its own scale on the right side, so both small and large numbers are readable without distortion. Use the secondary axis thoughtfully to keep the chart easy to interpret. When you're happy with your selections, click OK to apply the changes. Your chart updates instantly on the slide. If something doesn't look right, simply return to Change Chart Type and adjust your choices until the relationships in your data are clear. Keep an eye on the legend and axis labels so viewers understand what each series and scale represents. That's it. By selecting your chart, opening Change Chart Type, and choosing standard or combo options, you can quickly reshape your data into a clearer, more compelling visual.